Hello and welcome. This is the Gshock GWM 5610 and I'm going to show you how to change the daylight saving time mode. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, and that's the mode when the watch tells the time, press and hold the upper left button until you hear the beep. And there it is. Now when the HD is flashing, press the mode button once. And now we are in the position of adjusting our daylight saving time mode. To shuffle it, press the lower right button and you will shuffle it between on, off or out. I'm gonna leave it at off since it is off in my time zone. To implement the setting, simply press the adjust button once and we are back to the standard timekeeping mode with our daylight saving time mode changed. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you.